Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section on Squarespace. This is particularly useful when you want to temporarily remove content from view without permanently deleting it, or when you need to hide certain elements for specific design purposes. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. Now locate and click on the specific website where you want to hide the section. This will take you into that site's editing environment. Once inside, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here, you'll see several options for managing your site. Click on Website, and directly underneath that option, click on Pages. This section gives you access to all the structural elements of your site. Next, keeping your focus on that left side menu, look for the option labeled Custom Code and click on it under Custom Code. You'll find Custom CSS, click on that. The Custom CSS section is where you can add specific styling rules that will override default Squarespace styles, which is exactly what we need to hide a section. Now here's where things get a bit more technical, but I'll walk you through it. We need to identify the exact section we want to hide. To make this process much easier, I highly recommend using a browser extension called Squarespace ID Finder. This handy tool helps you identify the specific section ID that we'll use in our custom CSS code. Go ahead and install the Squarespace ID Finder extension in your browser. Once it's installed, activate it with the extension active, hover over the section you want to hide, and it will display the section's unique ID. Copy this section ID. It's important that you get this exactly right. Now return to the custom CSS field in Squarespace and paste that section ID. Immediately after the ID, add an opening curly bracket and a closing curly bracket. These brackets will contain the styling rule we're about to add. Inside those curly brackets, type display : none semicolon. This CSS rule tells the browser not to display that particular section at all. It's a clean, simple way to hide content without deleting it from your site's structure. And that's it. The section is now hidden from view on your live site. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save to apply them permanently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.